Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is deteriorate. It is pronounced de-ter-e-a-rate and spelt D-E-T-E-R-I-O-R-A-T-E. Think deter, D-E-T-E-R, then I-O, and then rate, deteriorate. To deteriorate means to become worse or decline in quality, condition, or value over time. It's a process of decline or degradation. For example, you could say the building's condition began to deteriorate after years of neglect, or her health deteriorated due to lack of proper care. The word deteriorate comes from the Latin word deteriorare, which means to make worse. Its meaning is exactly the same today. In Toy Story 3, Andy's toys find themselves in a daycare center where they meet some new toys. However, some toys, like Lotso, have experienced a lot of wear and tear over the years. They have begun to deteriorate. Synonyms for deteriorate include decline, degenerate, deteriorate, and degrade. Antonyms for deteriorate are improve, enhance, and strengthen. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, deteriorate. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.